It's 1:54 p.m. and we woke up I think about an hour ago. We are craving chicken wings. We're looking for unlimited wings na merong easy. So we found one in San Jose del Monte. So we'll go there. It's going to be our first time there. So I hope masarap siya. So change of plans tayo after tignan ni Rob yung page. Saka magbasa ng more reviews about the Only Wings place in San Jose. Apparently, there are some who shared na nagloko yung tiyan nila, and as someone na sensitive yung tiyan at mabilis masira, we're being mindful. So, we're going to SM Caloocan instead. Actually, nagkikrave si Rob ng Jiangnan. Pero medyo, I'm trying to be mindful in terms of price. Pero I think close lang pala yung presyo, no? Ng sa Sumonico.
Ay, oo.
Diba? Magkano ba? Ang Sumonico.
699 tayo sa ano eh. Sa
Jiangnan, 699. Tapos 599 dito kay ano, kay Sumonico. So 100 peso difference lang pala. So dalawa kami, so that's 200 pesos. Pero ang sarap pa naman ng soup ngayon. Lately, nahihilig talaga ako sa mga soup. Parang siyang comfort food, no? So, I don't know, I'm tempted. Ikaw, what do you think?
Jiangnan.
Saan tayong Jiangnan?
Forever. Ang layo pag Banawe pa tayo.
You know what? I just realized this mic is not even turned on. I forgot to turn it on. My gosh. Yung travel time namin is roughly 59 minutes according to Google Maps. And actually, kulang pa yung tulog namin kasi we slept at around past 7 a.m. So, I'd say siguro 8 a.m. just to be sure. Tapos we woke up past 12 p.m. So, we only slept for about 4 hours.
So, if we are to go there at isang oras to, and sometimes it's not really that accurate. So, give or take an hour. Tapos kakain pa kami.
So, it's not ideal. So, change of plans ulit. Change of plans. We're heading to SM Caloocan. Doon na talaga kami kakain. We'll go to one of our favorite samgyeopsal place, which is Sumonico. We love Sumonico because of their choices of meat. Our current favorite is the kurobuta. That's the black pork. Ang sarap kasi noon, promise, juicy siya, pero hindi siya like sobrang taba. I personally love their soup. I'm not a huge fan of their kimchi kasi too sour na for my taste, but I love their achara. Typically, when we go to samgyeopsal, our go-to is almost always beef. Pero for Sumonico, parang I prefer the pork more than the beef. We're already here at SM Caloocan. Sumonico is located at the lower ground. Saan siya sa may pinakababa? May dulo siyang part near Uniqlo. So excited.
Pwede na siyang ano, babes.
Mag-gravy.
And ano? Ano
Wow.
ba tawag dito? Famous bowl.
Oo nga. Sarap yung gravy nila. I love their soup. Simple lang pero this is their coleslaw. Coleslaw nila, cabbage lang with some mayo. Siguro masarap na kung may konting kimchi. Kasi masyado siyang maraming mayo. I feel like yung kimchi nila dahil sobrang asin, I feel like that will balance things out. Anong favorite sides nyo pag nagsasamgyup kayo? Ako, I like the like onions and pickled radish. Alam mo yung kahapon, yung coleslaw kimchi ng bonchon. Tastes like that. Sarap. Gusto ko yung mga samgyup na meron ng mga lutong meat, mga ready to eat na. Lalo pag sobrang gutom mo na. Pag dun sa samgyup kayo, gusto nyo ba yung tostado yung meat or gusto nyo yung eme lang? Ako gusto ko yung luto lang. I feel like pag tostado na siya, tumitigas na siya. So, ang hirap na nakainin. Yung sa samgyup ako, hindi ako masyado nagre-rice kasi I like to eat a lot of the meat. Game changer yung kimchi plus coleslaw. I like their cheese. Parang konti kasi nila maglagay ng cheese. Sarap din yung sausawan nila dito. Parang teriyaki like yung lasa. This is their kurobura. Masarap. When you eat it, para siyang may garlicky na taste. OMG! Tinanong nila yung vlog ko. Thank you! I'm so kilig. Nahiya ako na wala pa akong content pero kilig-kilig ako. Yung gusto ko dito sa Black Fork nila. Kaya ano siya, juicy siya, pero hindi siya mataba. Siguro yung challenge lang namin dito sa pork na to is, hindi namin alam kung luto na siya. Hindi namin alam kung luto na siya kasi parang same color lang. Gusto mo ng soda love or anything? Wala naman ng balat to, no? Wala ng plastikan. Imagine mo kung meron. Anong favorite yung meat combination or like side dish action pag nagsasamgyup kayo? Ikaw, laban yung favorite mong meat?
Di ba na yung ito?
Maninipis? Like, do you prefer beef or do you prefer
Fish.
pork? Beef. pag naubos na namin tong meat na to, I think we can call it a day. I wanna save some space in my tummy for ice cream.